Happy birthday, Adrian! Today is December 12 in Philippines. Happy birthday. I'm December 11 over here. Good health and success. Mama proud over here. You're done almost, or you're graduating this month. And again, happy birthday. Success and enjoy to your next journey after your graduation. Thank you. Oy, greet ka. Mag-greet ka sa kapatid mo. Yan o.
Wala ako na.
May sakit siya. Hindi naman ako.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. So, may sakit kasi siya. Happy birthday na lang daw. So, yan yung ano. Kunin mo nga na. Pakita ko lang siya. Yun lang yung pakita. Dito kasi guys, ang pinaka-importante, mayroon ka lang cake. Hindi gaya sa atin na medyo arte-arte. Ayan. So, ayan. Bumili ako ng chantilly cake. Happy birthday, Adrian. So, that's it. Yan lang yung pinaka-importante dito na i-ano natin guys. Yung parang celebration. Tapos, ang weather is not really good. Look the weather now. It's not good. So, pangit yung weather ngayon. Ayan, no, umuulan. That's the weather now. Tsaka yan yung mga tanim ko dyan. Hindi na ayos. Diba? Pangit ng weather ngayon. Ang celebrating boy wala dito ngayon kasi nga kailangan pumunta sa school. So, mamaya siya mag-aano. But, take ko na tong opportunity na to habang nandito ako sa dining room kasi mamaya hindi na ako magagawa kasi I need to go to work. So once again, happy birthday to my son Adrian. Thank you for everything that especially if I don't have anything when I was in Philippines, you are Darby and my son who sent me like that and talking to me. Thank you. Happy birthday once again. Bye.